Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with MakerDAO, DAI stablecoin. MakerDAO, DAI stablecoin, is a decentralized stablecoin system that aims to create a stable, crypto-backed digital currency pegged to the US dollar. Its main purpose is to provide a stable alternative to volatile cryptocurrencies, targeting developers, traders, and anyone seeking a more predictable digital asset. Key features include its algorithmic stability mechanism and the ability to borrow and lend DAI. Their website provides details on the intricacies of the system. MakerDAO's positioning revolves around decentralization and transparency. They highlight the absence of centralized control and the open-source nature of their code. Their website emphasizes the stability of DAI, comparing it favorably to other stablecoins through audits and regular updates on collateralization ratios. The system uses a collateralized debt position (CDP) mechanism, where users lock up ETH or other supported collateral to mint DAI. Availability is global, accessible through various decentralized exchanges and wallets that support DAI. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using MakerDAO. Getting started involved creating a MetaMask wallet and connecting it to the MakerDAO platform. The initial setup was a bit steeper than I expected, requiring some understanding of blockchain technology and smart contracts. Navigating the interface took some time. The dashboard is quite information-dense and presents a lot of data initially. However, once I understood the key metrics like collateralization ratio and debt ceiling, it became much easier to manage my CDP. I used it to mint some DAI to purchase another cryptocurrency on a decentralized exchange, and the whole process was fairly smooth. The transaction speed was comparable to other decentralized transactions I've experienced. There wasn't any noticeable lag. One minor drawback was the complexity of managing the CDP. A more simplified user interface for basic users would be beneficial. I had a quick question about adjusting my collateral and their community forum responded helpfully within a few hours. The standout feature for me was definitely the transparency and decentralized nature of the system. I felt much more in control of my assets compared to using centralized platforms. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using MakerDAO. While it has a learning curve, it generally met my needs and provided a stable and secure way to manage my crypto assets. That's my overview of MakerDAO, DAI stablecoin. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.